In 1991, the internet began with Web 1. Read-only. Information, but no interaction. By 2004, Web 2 arrived. Social media, e-commerce, global connection. Then in 2009, Bitcoin appeared and a new revolution quietly began. Those who saw it early changed their lives. Those who didn't missed out. For the last decade, another shift has been building, and now Web 3 is here. Web 3 is ownership, a decentralized internet where individuals hold self-custody over their data, asset, and finances, powered by blockchain. Around the world, corporations and everyday people are positioning themselves early. Many are choosing one system in particular, built to grow wealth. Introducing 3FO, a Web3 affiliate operating system already live, with long-term sustainability, real partnerships, and multiple income streams. 3FO is built for the future. Stop guessing. Start growing. In 19
Hello. So, yeah, let's start. So, I'm going to present today Triapo and RIP. So, these are two platforms that we have now na sabi nga natin existing for the last year at talaga namang napakaganda ng binibigay na opportunity. So 3FO and RIP is the next generation affiliate and trading ecosystem. Two powerful platforms, one unstoppable opportunity. So ano bang meron tayo dito kay 3FO at saka kay RIP? Let's start with what is RIP. Okay? So RIP is a trading platform powering the ecosystem. Okay, we have RIP trading modes. Okay, so these are the things. We have the demo, we have assisted, we have manual and automated. And of course, the RIP auto licenses and referral system. So we have three types of licenses, the micro, smart, and alpha, daily profit targets. What is 3FO? The next affiliate OS. 3FO income streams, of course, and rank rewards. And then why 3FO and RIP? Because we will explain nga natin how amazing these two platforms are. So, meet the visionary and the person who is the mastermind of this company and these products, these digital products that we have. He really is an innovator. He created a blockchain on his own. Meron tayong real world financial tools na ginagamit ngayon and trying to build the most sustainable yield ecosystem that we have. So yung vision niya is to create long-term and scalable system where the community wins together. So Chavez has been a part of this company from the very beginning, and I think we already have passed more than 20 companies that already had been shut down, and here we are still standing, and we're going to be standing in the next years to come. So he's been recognized in Forbes India. He has been awarded for some reward awards and the leaderships, and of course in businesses last year. And I believe he already received another awards this year. Na talaga namang he is really a visionary. He is a good, very good technology innovator. And then he created RIF. Okay, so RIF stands for Routing Intelligence Futures Trading. So binigyan niya yan ng sabi nga natin ng abbreviation, pero which is the reality is this is a trading platform. So RIF is a next generation future trading platform combining intelligent routing, automated execution, and non-custodial infrastructure, enabling seamless trading across crypto, stocks, and commodities. So this is built in Hyperliquid blockchain. So this is the fastest, the most transparent institutional grade execution while keeping users in full control of their capital. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, you will be able to see it's sabi nga natin ownership. So we are in full control. So we have the four elements, which is the intelligent routing, non-custodial, automated execution, and of course, it's built in layer one blockchain, which is the Hyperliquid. Okay, so Rift is simple, powerful, built for everyone to have 24/7 access, of course, 100% decentralized. So we have five modes on every trading styles. So we have five modes right now on Rift. It's going to be six now. I will mention the last one for the sixth, and there are going to be a lot more coming in. So the first one is we have a pre-demo account. If you wanted to test na mag-trade, alam mo, using the free account, you will get $10,000 virtual balance, and then you can trade it in the real market. So you'll be able to see, feel, looks how uh, the trading of crypto in Rift is so easy and quick, manageable, and because of the built-in infrastructure, it's really amazing to learn. Intelligent assisted, of course, RIP is automatically just suggest orders, entries, take profit and stop loss, so you don't have to worry about putting stop loss and then take profit. But of course, you have the ability to close your trades if you want to, if you're satisfied with the profits that you have, or you don't want to get to lose more, depending on your risk appetite. Futures manual, of course, this is a full market access to via Binance. So this is live. This is manual trading. If you do know how to trade futures trading, then you have an option here. So you have three options already that you can do in trading, but again, there's one more that we can discuss. So this is an amazing tool. And then we have the automated trading engine. Okay, so fully automated 24/7, no manual actions, compound your profits daily. This is really an amazing tool. This is what I have. And mamaya makikita niyo yung sabi ko nga, yung milestone na na-achieve natin using the automated engine trading. So we have the smart money. This is the latest additional trading platform that we have in REP. So smart money is allocation, intelligent allocation funds direct to order books. So if you understand order books, then you will be able to understand smart money. It's very simple to do. Of course, we conduct training as well if you wanted to learn more. And now we have added here the prediction marketing or prediction trading. So the prediction trading, that's the sixth one. Uh, it's not yet available on the system, but it's about to soon. They will be able to see how it works. It's some of the leaders are already testing it, and they are really happy with the results. And I believe the next one coming in is prop trading. But of course, we have to roll out first the prediction trading, and then we have the prop trading. Prop trading, if you're going to understand it, if you're going to learn it, search it for AI, and I'm more curious or more kung paano siya mag-work in Rift, because prop trading is something unique in all of the tradings. But let's see. But this is really exciting. And then of course, hopefully after from prop trading, there will be more coming in on the system. Automated profits, so it's stable and stable profit every day. So you'll get to have cash flow if you want to. Then we have the licenses available here. So for Microflow, it's $100 license. Okay. Uh, and then we have the Smart Low, it's a $500 license, and then the profit is here, as you'll be able to see from Microflow. It's 0.3 to 0.5% per day. That is depending on your appetite. Of course, if you are a higher risk trader, then you will be able to go to Smart Flow, and then you get 0.4 to 0.6 daily. And then of course they have the Alpha Flow, which is $1,000 license, and then you'll be able to earn at least 0.7 to 0.9% a day. This is consistently doing it. I've been doing it since day one, and this is really and giving me amazing results. And mamaya I will show you how my real trading, automated trading looks like para makita nyo naman. These are valid only for 365 days. Okay? So, after 365 days, pwede na kayong bumili ulit ng license. But of course, why would you not if you are earning more? And then, of course, we have the what do you call this, affiliate income, okay, in ref. Okay, so we have the referral system. So in manual trading, this is where sabi ko nga sa inyo, you can earn money without capital. Okay, you can start here without capital. Magtataka kayo, bakit, why, how is it possible that you can start trading without capital? You can start earning without capital. Okay, this is simple. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, of course, refer someone who is a trader on the manual trading on ref. Okay, so every time you refer people, and of course every time they refer up to level 5, you will be earning money here. How? Because in manual trading, okay, every time your direct referral or your referrals trade, every trading that they are going to do inside rep manually, okay, you will earn 25% of level 1. Okay, it's not totally yung sasabi nga natin na kung magkano yung inilagay, doon natin kukunin yung 25%. No, this is based on the profits. So every time magkakaroon ng profits yung traders, you get 25 even if you don't have yet start trading. Okay, I will show you later kung paano nagwo-work on my dashboard, and this is really an amazing tool. This is really an amazing uh, tools to start kung sasabi nga natin if we don't have capital. But of course, hindi naman ibig sabihin if we don't have capital, hindi na rin kayo mag-work. But you need to work out. Look for traders, look for, sabi nga natin, people that are willing to trade in rep, and then every time they trade, kahit wala ka pang capital, you can start earning from 25% up to 0.09% daily, okay, every time they are going to trade. Okay, so this is something amazing tool if you want to start, sabi nga natin sa mga walang puhunan, or hindi na ngayon magiging reason sa atin ngayon yung wala akong capital. Okay, now with auto trading, we have a different referral system. So every time there's a manual trading, but on auto trading, this is separate. You cannot earn anything without the license. Of course, it makes sense. That's why it's called auto trading. That's why you have to buy the license, because you cannot access the auto trading without the license. So ibig sabihin, you have to buy the license and then start earning. Okay, this is also on the same concept. Like sabi nga natin, you will earn not from the, sabi nga natin, from the money na ginamit nila for trading, but from the profit. Okay, so earn percentage every 24 hours for the success fee. So every time there's a success trade, you will get 50% on the success fee that's given to the community. Okay, there's a special rules about this. I can discuss this further if you really wanted to learn. Okay, I can give you also a calculator, a link that where I created a calculator for you to be able to see how much are you able to earn for every referral on auto trading and manual trading. So mamaya ipag-usapan natin kung paano nyo makikita yung calculator to be able to see, para makita ninyo kung gaano ka, sabi nga natin, kaganda yung kita dito. Even if you are earning only cents, okay, so cents of the dollar, ang everyday na meron kayo nakikita sa isang tao, you will be blown away. Mamaya makikita ninyo din sa dashboard ko how is it possible to earn this much amount of money in RIP, but you are earning like 1 cents, 2 cents, 3 cents. Imagine that, but it's really amazing. Natutuwa ako, makikita nyo mamaya, ako talagang hindi ako naniniwala nung una, of course, because masyadong maliit, hindi naman siya pag naipon mo pala siya is really really big. Okay? So that's how the referral trading works. Okay? So we have the level 1 to level 5 referral system on RIF. This is just only in RIF, and this is the second and third ways to earn. Okay, the manual and the auto trading. Of course, the first way to earn is the auto trading itself. If you put money on it, and then it will work for you, and then you will earn from the trading. And then this is the referral system. The second one is the manual trading if someone is manual trading. And then the third one is the auto trading when they are trading. So 3 already income stream already just on RIF alone. Now, like I said, earn on go every day. You are going to get referral income with your downline as your downline keep on trading. Now, this is the sample on how it looks on our app or the platform. Okay, see, this is how it looks. This is only an example, okay, that of the capital. This screenshot was taken from someone. Okay, this is not mine. This is not my account, but this is taken from someone. Okay, it has an Alpha Flow license. Okay, so that means ibig sabihin $1,000 license ang meron siya. So this is potentially earning from 0.7% to 0.9% daily. Okay? So ito na yung kanya from, I don't know kung kailan pa to. I have no idea, but at least from the capital of 13,000 na nakalagay yung capital niya, then meron na siyang 14,000. So that's how it is. Okay? Ganun nag-work. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yun ng live, at least makita nyo kung anong meron talaga. And then, sabi nga natin,
hello, in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of the Rift platform and all its features. Right now I'm on the dashboard, and if we begin by showing you the hub. At the bottom of the screen you can see the square with the image of a wallet in it. This is the hub. If you click on the hub, this will give you access to be able to move around the Rift platform at ease, trying out all the different features. We will begin with the wallet. On this page you can see portfolio value, and you can see a bit further down, this is where you can withdraw any funds or deposit any funds. This is a self-custody wallet that you have control over. If you look a bit further down still, you can see referrals and rewards.
What's going on? Sorry. Again.
Hello, in this video I'm going to be giving you an overview of the Rift platform and all its features. Right now I'm on the dashboard, and if we begin by showing you the hub. At the bottom of the screen you can see the square with the image of a wallet in it. This is the hub. If you click on the hub, this will give you access to be able to move around the Rift platform at ease, trying out all the different features. We will begin with the wallet. On this page you can see portfolio value, and you can see a bit further down, this is where you can withdraw any funds or deposit any funds. This is a self-custody wallet that you have control over. If you look a bit further down still, you can see referrals and rewards. If you click on referrals and rewards, this will show you all of your direct referrals and income that has been generated. If you scroll further down, you can see USDC, and this is your holding wallet. So any funds that you've got in your self-custody wallet will be displayed here. Okay, if we go back to the top, right at the top in the right hand corner you can see a history icon and a settings icon. If you click on the history button, this will show you the history of deposits and withdrawals. And if you click on the settings option, this is where you can set your nickname, you can access the demo and live trading option, you can come down to wallet security where you can reveal your private key for your Rift account. Remember, keep that safe, don't show it to anybody, and don't lose it. And of course, right at the very bottom, terms of service and privacy policy. So let's go on swipe. So this area here is AI assisted trading. The AI analyzes the market and selects different trades, pre-prepares them with a preset stop loss and take profit. You simply swipe left or swipe right, whether you want to accept or decline the trade. Up here on the top right, you have trade personalization features available for you. Spot and futures. So here, if you are an experienced trader, you have complete control over all trading activity based on your own experience and knowledge. Now, engine. And this is where all the information is for your auto trading engine. Click on Smart Money. And this is where you can see all the various different order books. And you can choose one or multiple of these order books to subscribe to. And support. If you're having any difficulty with this platform in any way, simply submit a support ticket and somebody will usually get back to you within 24 hours. There you go. That is the overview of the Rift platform, and I'm sure you'll agree it's very easy to navigate. So, thanks very much for watching.
Okay. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kasimple ang ating Rift. Simpleng platform, simpleng, sabi nga natin, system, but very, very powerful. Okay? So, ang dami ng features and there are a lot of features coming in. At isa pa, sabi nga natin, Rift is isa sa pinaka unique trading because of the infrastructure that we have there. I'm not saying it's a very in a unique way, but because of the, sabi nga natin, of the training that was given to us, ang laki ng difference ng makikita nyo how the retail traders lose and earns money, and of course how the if a system is built in as infrastructure, then there is a consistent way of earning in trading. And then also now we have 3FO, then there where another income streams are, and then dito makikita natin how we're going to multiply our income, achieve rank levels, and help other do the same. So this is really an amazing another platform with what we have. So 3FO is a next-gen OS that combines innovation, technology, and community to create system where everyone wins together. Okay, so innovation, technology, and community. So this is how we grow in 3FO. Okay, so this is the compensation plan breakdown. So we need to grow at least 20 minimum people wide, but I'm not saying that the limitation is 20 people. Let's say the minimum is 20 people for you to be able to earn and get paid 15 levels deep. So these are the level incomes that you will be able to get, the percentage in every level up to 15 levels, which is really an amazing one. Okay? So imagine niyo kahit hindi nyo nakilala, because of the power of 3FO or the power of Rift, we are earning something na hindi na natin alam. It's just really a passive income, I can say. Okay? But that depends on your perceptions kung ano ang ibig sabihin sa inyo ng passive income. Okay? So, rank rewards. These are the rank rewards. So, we have, of course, we have criteria in reaching the rank rewards. And these are the criteria for us. So, we have the rank 1. We need 3 directs, at least the volume of the $15,000, a size of 30 people, and then you earn this reward as $1,000. Imagine you're going to earn up to $10 million of reward if you do, or if you are willing to do the work, and besides, sharing Rift is not, sabi nga natin, hindi natin pinagsisisihan, because Rift is really an amazing tool of trading. Okay? Now we have uni-level commissions up to 15 levels on our 3FO on ways to earn, and then of course the ranking rewards, which you will earn from $1,000 to $10 million. This is simple things that we do. You have to structure yourself with at least 3 people below you. Like I said, if you want to earn up to 15 levels, you have to have at least 20 minimum people, and these are the rank logos that you will be able to get. So 2 platforms, one unstoppable opportunity, 3FO, we have the affiliate network, uni-level income, rank bonuses, and then of course, you will learn smart multiplication. In Rift, you have the auto trading if you decided to, and there's, of course, you can do also the manual trading. We have the 3 licenses tier, Daily profit target is up to you, and the most important part, this is built in Hyperliquid Layer 1 blockchain. So earn from the trading performance and and grow your team simultaneously, and then you get to feel and imagine what you can achieve with Rift and Triple. So if you will decide to get started, so start your donor here. So if you want to try, dip your toes into the water, start the free demo. No risk, no everything. Register for free, go back to the person that invited you or send you this video, and then, yeah, sabi nga natin, do the demo. Learn from it, feel from it, lose money and everything. Then every time you sabi nga natin, naubos mo na yung $10,000, you can reset it again from another $10,000, and then, yeah, sabi nga natin, so you can start learning from that. You can do the risk appetites and everything, leverage, lahat yan matutunan mo with free. Okay? And then if you choose to trade, okay, choose your RIP license from $100 to $1,000, automated trading engine. And then of course join the 3FO platform for you to be able to purchase the license of Rift, because you will be able to purchase Rift on 3FO, and then that is where the ranking rewards are also possible. If you buy a RIP license directly to RIP, then you don't have the ability, or you don't have to get the chance to earn additional income in 3FO. So you have to be very you have to choose whichever you want. Of course, why would you not have another income stream in 3FO rather than only on RIP? Share your link. Of course, don't forget to share your link. Share your link in Rift, then share your link in 3FO once they are ready to buy, and then grow your network. That's how we start here. It's really simple. It's really amazing. It's very, very doable. Okay? So, your assets, your freedom, a breakthrough in finance, two platforms, one ecosystem, unlimited potential. So, join 3FO and RIP and create your RIP in finance. So, start your journey today. So, after that, if you have any question after this, then we can do the question and answer, and then I can show my Rift account, okay, live. And of course, I'm really excited to share the milestone that I can say we achieved in this Rift, okay. So it's really exciting to share to you that. I'm really excited to share to you that milestone, okay. So compensation plan and terms, I will not discuss that. You can take a screenshot, or I can send to you this copy. This so para mas maging mabilis lang tayo, okay? So then, of course, and then that's it. Thank you so much. And yeah, if you have any question, let me know. And yeah, I'm looking forward to share to you the milestone that we achieved on it. Any question po? Hi, Coach Ben. Hi, Ma'am Miles. Thank you for coming.
May tanong po, sir.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Regarding doon sa sinasabi ni Chavez or sa yung bagong, ay hindi naman bago, yung sa Capital 2.0,
Mm-hmm.
ma-expired. Kung, for example, hindi natin lahat ma-share yun. Ma-expired ba yun?
That's a very good question. I believe hindi siya may expired, but the goal is to burn all the tokens that we have para ma-share natin sa marami yung mga yung licenses. It's up to us if you want it for free, for a discount, or to pay a full price. So, yun lang yung kwan. I believe wala siyang expiration. Ang purpose lang is para, sabi nga natin, para magkaroon ng purpose yung token immediately, rather than us waiting for us to Chavez to return us in like 0.1% a month or 0.1% a day, depending on how it works. But for the meantime, because of this program na pwede tayong bumili ng a RIP license through Capital 3.0 token, that means he is expecting na I mean, I'm not saying everything, but most of the token will be burned because of this. Make sense?
Okay po.
Ah.
Kasi halimbawa, sa akin mayroon yata akong 2.8.
2.8.
So, 2.8 na na token sa
Okay.
capital company. Plan ko kasi kung mag-iwan ng 1,000 para makabili ako sa sarili ko sa Alpha Flow.
Yes,
So,
you can buy now, ma'am. Gusto mo. And then,
pero active pa naman yung micro ko. Okay lang ba yun?
hindi, ma'am. Okay lang yun. You can buy all the licenses in one go. Okay? Ang kaya nga lang, depende na lang kasi sa'yo kung saan mo gustong nag-earn, sa Microflow, sa SmartFlow, o sa AlphaFlow. Ngayon, if you want to earn in AlphaFlow, ang gagawin mo lang doon is i-stop mo yung earning mo sa Microflow, and then yung pagka na bumalik na sa available balance yung lahat ng capital mo o ng pera mo doon sa loob ng rep, then ilalagay mo siya sa AlphaFlow, then mag-i-start na yung cycle noon for earning much bigger compared sa Microflow.
Wow, ganun na lang gagawin. Mas maganda paano stop na lang siya tapos bibili ako ng yung Alpha Flow.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So mamaya ikuan ko sa inyo sa the dashboard, even though wala akong Microflow, but tatry ko ipakita sa inyo kung paano paano nyo makikita kung paano siya mai-stop and paano magiging mai-move, okay?
Opo. Sige,
Yeah.
sige po.
So yun. Any question pa po? Coach Pelpol. Mami B, hindi ano nga bang question? Naku, nakakatulog na si Mami B Mami?
Paano ko gamitin yung yung Capital 3.0 ko?
Sa Mami, di ba tinransfer natin yung sa 3FO?
Hindi pa yata, wala pa akong
Hindi kaya yata nag-transfer, Mami, ano?
Hindi nga, kasi di ba na-stop noon yung pagta-transfer?
Hindi, Mami, hindi naman na-stop yun eh.
Hindi ko na nasubaybayan.
Kasi hindi nabubuksan ngayon ng affiliate marketing 3.0 site eh. Hindi makakapag-transfer ngayon.
Sa Phantom lang naka-transfer ng kaunti lang, magkano lang na-transfer ko noon? Di ba?
Mamaya ikuan natin, tingnan natin sa mo. May 3FO account ka ba?
3 years, hindi ko na alam kung meron.
Pero alam ko nag-register ka sa 3FO sa akin eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung active yung account mo.
Tingnan natin mamaya. Just keep going.
Sige. Tingnan natin.
Di ba mag-active yun siya, sir, pag nakabili ka na ng 50 miner, yung NFT?
Yes.
Okay.
Active na siya. So, yun, Mami. Naku, nga pala. Ang tagal, di ba? Ang tagal kung kinuha natin yun, ina-announce na ko. Magta-transfer nga ng 3FO. Alam ko na-transfer natin yung sa'yo. Na-transfer ba?
Hindi ko alam kung denied mo ako.
Hindi ko na rin matandaan, Mami. Ang tagal nating hindi nag-con eh. Nag-jamming
Kaya nga, ako rin, hindi ko na alam.
Let's see, Mami. Let's see.
Na rin ako.
Hopefully na-transfer natin. Hopefully. Kasi kung sayang. Magkano, ilang bang license mo ng Capital 3.0 na binili mo nun?
100 lang.
Okay. So that means at least may $500 ka. Kasi 5x yun. So 500 dapat yung na-transfer. Tapos makakabili ka na ng $500 license. Supposed to be.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Kasi yun yung ginawa niya ngayon eh. You can use yung Capital 3.0, yung pati yung profit mo to buy the license. Hindi lang yung pinakang capital mo, pati yung profit na 5x. Di ba 5x siya? Oo. So yun.
We'll see. Tingnan natin mamaya pag ano.
Okay. Sige. Tingnan natin, Mami. Okay. Yun. Excited na
May
ba?
tanong konti, Coach.
Ha?
May tanong konti.
Sige, damihan mo na. Gusto ko yung marami, na-miss kita eh.
Yung Coach ba, pag i-stop mo yung sa micro,
Aha.
may magkalta sila ng ilang percent yung kaltasin nila?
Wala. Stop lang eh.
Wala.
No,
Withdrawal lang. Yung withdrawal lang talaga sa rep.
Oo, so pan lang. Pagka stop lang, wala yun. Mapupunta lang yun sa available balance mo and then ililipat mo lang ng engine.
Tirahin ko sana yung Alpha Flow, kulang ng ano eh.
Oh, nagpaparinig ka ba? Nagpaparinig ka ba? Uy.
Sana may maawa, coach. Parang 65 lang.
Nagpaparinig ka ha? Sige, parang naririnig ko ha, parang naririnig ko.
Kung siguro yung coach.
Usapan natin maya ng konti, coach. Tapusin muna natin tong konting ko natin ha.
Salamat, coach.
Okay, okay.
Yun lang.
Okay, sige, pakita ko na yung aking milestone. Gusto ko nang makita niyo yung milestone ko dito sa RIF. Ready ka na, Ma'am Jacqueline? Hindi ako.
Ready.
Gusto ko nang makita niyo yung milestone ko, milestone. Ikaw, Ma'am Morita, gusto mo na makita kung ano yung milestone? Sir Johnny, ikaw. Sir Johnny. Nakikita niyo po yung screen ko?
Yes, sir. Gusto kong makita,
Yan.
sir.
So, ito na yung milestone ko. Nakikita niyo to? Yan, nakikita niyo yan, yan.
Wow.
Yan. Hindi pa yan, ma'am. Nasa account ko yan. Sa demo account ko yan.
Akala ko.
Talaga, ha?
Galing
naman.
Akala ko live na.
Demo yan, ma'am.
Pinalaki mo yan noon is less than 10,000.
Yan.
Sana all.
Gumagaling ka.
Hindi ma'am, demo yan. I can prove to you na demo yan. Hindi ko yan. Hindi yan ang account ko. Hindi yan ang account ko. Okay? Pero, siyempre, excited pa rin akong ipakita sa inyo yung account ko. Pero demo yan. Bakit yung masabing demo? Papakita ko sa inyo bakit nasabi kong demo. Yan. Okay?
Dula ka, go? Dula ka?
Yan. Pag nilipat ko yan, sasabihin niya switch to real, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, nasa demo ako. So, demo talaga. At ito yung milestone ko na na-achieve ko kaninang umaga. And really grateful with RIF. And really, sabi nga natin. So, I already achieved this milestone. Sinong na? Drum roll. Ayan na.
10,000. Wow.
I made it.
Wow.
The first $10,000. Yes, this is my milestone and I'm really happy, really grateful. Okay. The next milestone is about to reach $5,000. So all less than $300 na lang. So probably in the next 3 or 4 days, ma-achieve ko naman itong next milestone na really amazing with RIF. So this is what RIF can do to us. Okay. So I'm not saying to brag or to hype everyone. This is my personal account and I'm really grateful na meron na tayong something natin na pwede natin kuhan. So this is a milestone. After, in my computation, I think 86 days or 87 days, na-attain ko yung $10,000 mark. So, thank you sa everyone. So, sa totoo lang, this is, hindi ko, I'm really excited talaga to share to everyone kung sino man yung mga kapanood ng video na to. Sa susunod na milestone, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung so malapit na. But this is the next one. Konti na lang. I'm going to earn $5,000 already in RIF. Just in 3 months or almost 3 months to be honest. So I have an Alpha Flow. Remember, I only have Alpha Flow license. Yun lang yung ginamit kong a license. I don't have so many license, okay? So yun po yung one. And yeah, sabi ko nga sa inyo, grateful and happy that I have achieved this. Okay? So, yun po. Happy to share to everyone, each and every one of you, my teams na talagang kwan. If kaya ko, of course, kaya nyo rin. Okay? Yun yung pinakang goal natin. Kaya nyo, kaya natin lahat yan. Okay? So, look at this. Ang full TBL na natin, if sumabot na ng $8.6 million. Okay? In RIF, this is RIF alone. Imagine niyo, it keeps on growing every day. So, nakakatuwa na nag-grow yung one natin. I believe in the before the end of the, I mean, mag-end of the month na, maybe at the end of the month, it can reach to $10 million. Okay? So, mas maganda na yung kuha natin. This is how powerful RIP is para sa atin. So, ayun, sabi nga sa inyo, if you want to try to dip your toe in the water, get a $100 license, fill, deposit. Imagine, remember, $11 is the minimum required. Okay? Pero unlimited. Bahala kayo kung magkano yung gusto nyong ilagay as long as the minimum is $11 and then you can start earning. Remember, auto trading ko ito. I'm not doing anything. The only thing I did every day is reinvest. Okay? Manual po ang reinvesting kasi this is our choice if you want to withdraw or reinvest your profit. Okay? So this time, meron na akong available balance of $13. This is available for me to claim anytime. Sabi nga natin, but every morning kinukuhan ko yan, kino-compound ko yan. Okay? So, yun. This is exciting.
Coach, magkano ang kapital niyan po, Coach?
Ang kapital ko dito is 4,600.
Kaya pala.
Yeah.
May 4,720 ka, no?
Yes. So, yun yung amazing event dito. And dito sa ko na to, sa milestone na to, remember kasama dito ang referral earnings, ha. Hindi ito pure trading kasi dito sa ko natin sa history ng natin, referral bonuses and yields natin sa tradings are magkasama na, lagi magkasama. But of course, sabi
Coach,
nga
pakita
natin
daw sa baba, Coach, yung yung sa earning mo, Coach, yung daily. Sa sa baba, sa baba.
Curious ka. Okay. Sige,
Sige daw, Coach.
Okay. So yan.
Diyan.
Yan.
Sige pa.
Yan.
Yan.
Okay.
Grabe, no?
So, kaninang umaga, if you can see here, 7:51, nag-compound ako ng $99. Tapos meron na ako nakita niyo naman na $13 na dito sa ibabaw kanina. So, yun yung available balance, anytime you can withdraw pagka nakita nyo. So, these are the referral bonuses. Isipin nyo, sa level bonus may referral. Dito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na cents lang yung kinikita nyo, pero pag naipon, yan, tama, 0.2 cents lang, marami yan. So, which is amazing. Lahat yan, every time na may nagtitrade under you, every time na may profit sila, every time na may kinita sila, you get something. Up to 5 levels. So, yun yung maganda sa binga natin sa direct referrals natin na meron tayo. So, yan, o, naman nyo. So, bukas, posibleng ko na yan, 99 or 100 na siyang bukas, maybe, hopefully. And if, imagine niyo na mag $100 na ako every day, so that is $3,000 a month. And yun, amazing na meron tayo dito. Kung gusto nating maging cash flow, simple lang po yan. Every day, mayroon kayong available balance. Just click withdraw and then you can see it in your wallet, directly on your wallet, and then you can withdraw. Just click nyo lang yung withdraw, then lahat ng available balance nyo is, mapupunta na yan sa wallet nyo. Also,
instant yung withdrawal chips.
Also, yung sinasabi nating stop earning, kung gusto niyo nang kunin lahat yung capital nyo, i-click nyo lang yung stop earning for after 24 hours. Lahat yan mapupunta sa available balance, and then i-click nyo lang yung withdraw, and then pupunta nyo lahat sa wallet nyo, tapos na lahat ang kwento. Inyo na lahat yan. Wala nang cheche-boreche, baka magpapaalam pa kayo na withdrawin ko to, baka kailangan ko bang withdrawin, pwede bang withdrawin ko lahat or hindi. That is something. So, stop earning lang. Once stop earning, nandito na sa available balance, you can withdraw. Okay? Ngayon, yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Elena kanina, okay? Let's say ito ay microflow. Tapos dito magkakaroon ka ng smart flow. At dito magkakaroon ka ng alpha flow kung tatlong license ang binili mo. Ganyan na magiging itsura niyan, Ma'am Elena. Okay? So, dito yung isa, dito yung isa. Now, pag in-stop earning mo yan, okay, let's say nasa microflow mo, nandito mo, in-stop earning mo, lahat yan mapupunta dito sa available balance. And then, kapag ka nasa available balance na siya, i-click mo lang tong deposit. Ngayon doon, pag click mo yung deposit, click natin deposit. Okay? Deposit. Yan. Lalabas ngayon yung amount dyan. Ngayon dito sa taas, I think dito sa taas somewhere, okay? May choices ka kung saan mo ilalagay na engine. Smart Flow, Alpha Flow, or Micro Flow. So, siyempre pipiliin mo yung Alpha Flow and then click mo lang yung max and then confirm add. And then mapupunta na siya sa Alpha Flow Alpha Flow license mo. So, dito na siya mapupunta siya, magkakaroon ka na dito ng Alpha Flow active account. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. If you purchase Alpha Flow.
Yes.
Coach Pelpol, tama ba? Alam mo na ang gagawin?
Kopya, Coach.
Imagine niyo, Octan, nagkukwentuhan lang tayo kanina $13, ngayon $14 na. Saan pa kayo, di ba? Napakasarap naman, di ba? Ganyan ba, Coach? Okay ba yan? So, yan po. Yan lang ang natin. So, nadagdagan na kaagad. Okay? So, balik muna tayo dun sa manual. Kasi gusto ko ipakita rin sa inyo yung manual. Bakit nasabi kong po pwede kayo mag-start without capital dito sa RIF. Kung sino yung mga yung gusto ninyong may mga traders kayong kilala, they want to start, ganito lang kasimple. At least makita nyo rin. Mas maganda rin yung malaman na pwede yun. Okay? So, let's go to wallet. And then, let's go to referrals. Okay? So, referrals. Referrals. Okay. Look, ito yung pinakamaganda. Okay? Hindi ako nagma-manual trading. Wala akong ginagawang manual trading. Lahat auto trading lang. Okay? Pero yung mga referrals ko may nagma-manual ng trading. Ibig sabihin may nagti-trade manually. Last Zoom, parang ipinakita ko lang sa inyo to ay 0.78 or something dollars.
Isa ako dyan.
Di ba, ma'am? Isa ka ba? So, yun.
Yeah.
Imagine niyo meron nata akong $0.78 dito. Okay? Last 2 Zoom ago. Kasi hindi ako nag-Zoom last week. Kasi may pinuntahan ako. So, ngayon, pagbukas ko, meron akong nakitang $15.11. And it's can be claimed. Imagine niyo nakapag-withdraw na ako ng $10. Meron na akong total earned of $25 kung isasama natin to. So, syempre, i-claim ko na yan. Pag kinlaim ko na yan, magkakaroon pa ako ng additional $15. Diba? So, that is the power of, sabi nga natin, RIF, pagka mag-refer lang kayo ng nagma-manual trading. Hindi nyo kailangang magkaroon ng trading account. But, syempre, nasa sa inyo naman yun ba? Diba? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, $11 ang minimum to trade. Meron na akong $15. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na akong mag-manual trade if I wanted to. But, syempre, itadagdag ko to sa auto trading. Ang sarap ng may kinikita ka lang, gumagalaw lang na mag-isa, di ba? So, bukas ng umaga, kasama na to sa i-compound ko, na $15, which is amazing. Ngayon, ito yung sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, every time na may mayroon kayong referral, okay, so yung referrals natin, tingnan ko yung referrals ko. Okay, so I have 43 users, pero ang active dyan, ilan lang. Hindi kita yung iba, okay? So, meron akong, out of 43, I believe 25 or 27 lang yung active. Hindi pa rin sila naniniwala, nagkuha sila, probably nagtitrade sila ng demo, sinusubukan pa rin nila until now. But because while they are waiting for it to happen, ako na-achieve ko na yung milestone ko, okay? So, yun is something. Ngayon, ito pa yung isang way, ito naman yung sa auto trading, if hindi ayaw nilang bumili sa 3FO ng license, pwede rin silang bumili ng license dito sa RIF at dito nyo makukuha yung commission ninyo sa automated. Okay? Dito naman yung commission sa automated. Okay? So, yan naman yung pinakamaganda na mayroon dyan. So, sabihin, hindi lang yung sa kwan. So, sabihin nyo, kumita na ako ng may isang bumili ng license directly from RIF and then kumita ako ng $10. So, winidraw ko na rin yan, dinagdag ko na rin sa kwan ko. Okay? So, yun lang po. Saan ba natin makikita yung ating referral link? Sa mga natin, nandito lang po yan. Yan. Ito po yung ating referral link. Kung gusto nyong, sabi nga, i-personalize ninyo yung referral link natin, click nyo lang itong pencil, and then makikita ninyo, yan. So, ito yung aking pangalan na nilagay, and then i-click nyo lang yung save. Pag na-click nyo na yung save, pag sinend nyo yan, pinadala nyo, click nyo yung copy, kung ano yung nilagay nyo doon, yun na yung kasama sa buong referral link ninyo. Okay? So, yun yung ganun lang kasimple ang paggawa natin ng referral link. So, any question with regards to sa
Tanong po.
without capital? Or anything? Sige, anything. Go ahead.
Sir, doon sa referral link,
Mhm.
magkaiba yung referral link sa real, yung sa real, sa auto engine at saka sa manual?
Hindi po,
Magkaiba
ma'am.
bang,
Hindi po, ma'am. This is the
isa
only
lang?
this is the only referral link you have in RIP.
Magkaisa lang ang manual at saka yung,
Yes, isa lang po. Ang magkaiba po ang link ay ang 3FO at ang REF.
okay. Okay
Okay.
po.
Yon. So may sarili kang link sa 3FO, may sarili kang link sa REF. So yan. So ngayon, kanina pinakita do sa video yung pagiging, yung sabi nga natin sa custodial wallet, kung paano magiging secure yung wallet natin. Okay? So ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi itong wallet natin is, sabi nga natin, tayo yung may control. Bakit natin nasabing tayo may control? Kasi yung wallet natin ay pwede nating i-import sa MetaMask, sa Token Pockets, sa Trust Wallet, or anything. I-click nyo lang tong settings dito sa taas. Kinita nyo yan. Pag kinilik nyo yan, and then scroll down nyo lang sa baba, makikita nyo ngayon itong wallet address nyo. Okay? Ito yung wallet address nyo. Ito yung wallet address ko. O, kopyahin nyo na, tapos bahala na kayo magpadala. Arbitrum and Network ha, para pinadalhan nyo ako, at least matatanggap ko. Okay? So, Arbitrum and Network. Ito yung wallet address. Ito yung pinakang importante. Yung sinabi kanina sa video na wag nyong iwawala at wag nyo ring ipamimigay. Reveal your private key here. Hindi ko i-reveal yung private key ko, syempre. Tapos, i-import nyo lang sa MetaMask and then meron na kayong kan. So, yun lang po ang way kung paano nyo maisi-secure yung ating wallet. Yan po. Any question po from that? I
May
think.
tanong pa po, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Regarding doon sa wallet address sa yung sa invite, yung sa team. Say for example, di sila pamarunong na maglagay ng funds doon. Pwede ko ba hingiin yung wallet address nila tapos ako na lang mag-transfer USDC, Arbitrum?
Yes, ma'am. Simple lang yun, ma'am. Ganito lang ang gagawin mo. Okay? Kiklik mo lang yung deposit. Ano ba yan? Deposit. And then Arbitrum. Sasagutan mo lang lahat to kasi ito yung pinakang importante sa lahat ng message. Click understand. And then ito yung address. Ito yung sasabihin mo sa kanila kung paano nila gagawin. Okay? Tapos ito yung address na ibibigay nila sa'yo. Okay?
Alright.
Yun. Kasi yan yung pinaka-importante. Huwag ka mag-alala pag ibinigay nila. Ang sabihin mo sa kanila, ang wag na wag nilang ibibigay sa iyo ay yung reveal key na nandito sa loob nito. Okay? Yan. Itong reveal key na to, ito ang wag na wag nilang ibibigay sa iyo. Okay? Yung deposit address lang ng Arbitrum. Yan. Importante yun. Magandang reminder yun kasi minsan sa sobrang trust, alam niyo yung trust, wala namang masamang mag-trust, di ba? Kasi lalo na kung sa mga tayo lang, I know you can trust me. Kahit pa sabihing i-reveal nyo lahat sa akin yung private key ninyo, I will not do anything about that. Pero, alam niyo naman natin na hindi natin masasabi ang kung sino man. I mean, I'm not judging everyone. I'm not going to judge anyone. But that is something na hindi natin makokontrol. Okay? That's something that we cannot control. So that is a special or strict reminder para sa inyo. Okay po? Good morning, Ma'am Grace. I know you are there.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. And
Habang ng energy.
you missed the milestone. You missed the milestone that I divulged.
Oh,
Di
wow.
ba
Sorry.
sinend ko sa kanya? Sinend ko sa kanya.
Sinend mo na pala.
In-screenshot ko.
Sinend mo sa messenger
Kaya
ko, Ate
nagising
Jackie?
yan eh.
Kaya nagising.
Pero sir, di ba meron tong recording?
Meron po.
Pa-share ha.
Naka-record po ito, naka-record.
Salamat po.
Ayun. So, yun. Naku, nakita na pala ni Ma'am Grace. Akala ko, na-miss niya yung milestone.
Ate
Kaya
Jackie,
ngayon,
hindi mo
Oh,
sinin. Wala.
yun, yes! Na-miss
send ko
hindi
sa
alam ni
message
Ma'am.
mo. Sa
Hindi,
message.
ang sinabi mo lang milestone na si Sir Dennis pero wala kang screenshot.
Ay, hindi pala pumasok yun.
Ah,
Hindi.
Hindi ko pala
Ah.
Oh,
So,
at least
nag-start ka na, Sir
ka.
Dennis?
ha?
Nakapag-start ka na?
Tapos na, Ma'am.
Ah.
Nag-present na nga ako eh.
Galing mo naman. Galing.
Mm.
Panalo. Congratulations.
Thank you, Ma'am. Pero alam mo na ba kung ano yung milestone?
Kahit na ano yun, magaling yun. O, tsaka nandito si Perpol, ha?
Ito, Ma'am,
Uy,
papakita.
nandito si Perpol, ha?
Oo,
Hello,
nandito nga
Sir
eh.
Perpol.
Oo. Naalala ko niyan kasi meron niyang request.
Ayun.
I love you, Coach. Ngayon, Ma'am,
O, sige na.
i-reveal ko na sa iyo, Ma'am, yung milestone ko, Ma'am. I-reveal ko na.
Sige.
Okay lang? Nakikita mo ba yung screen ko?
Screen mo ba yan? Kala ko screen ni Madam Elena yan.
Hindi.
O, sige.
Screen ko. At kikita mo yung screen ko. This is my milestone, Ma'am.
Tarararan.
Drum roll. Here you go.
Oh, wow. Umabot ka na ng 10.
Yes, Ma'am.
Ibili
Milestone.
na yan ng gin.
I've reached the milestone.
So, ilang months?
Almost 3 months, Ma'am. Almost 3 months.
3 months lang from your 5K?
Yes, Ma'am. Kanya, bali for 6,600.
Oh, wow. So, talagang totoo pala, no? Totoo.
Yes, Ma'am. And this is a
Totoo yung 30K.
Yes.
Oh,
Bali, Ma'am, kasi,
congratulations.
thank you. April 29, ano ba ngayon? July 25. Oh, so, bali kasi hindi magkaibang dates. Dalawang deposit, magkaibang dates. So, let's say, kung na lang ng mga 88, 87 days, gano'n. To average. So, yun. And I'm really grateful and happy with the results, Ma'am, ni Ref. A milestone has
Galing,
been
di ba?
achieved. Yes.
So, ang daily in ano mo na dyan is how much?
Well,
80?
kanina, nung nag-compound ako is $99.
Oh, so it's almost 100 ka na.
Tomorrow, maybe it's $100.
O kasi
Starting now.
meron ka pang yung mga ano ba yan? Referral.
Yes.
Oo. So malaking yung additional kasi kung titignan mo $80 lang yung 10K. Pero dahil may referral ka, umabot ka na ng 100. Galing ng referral, ano?
Yes.
Galing.
Simple lang pero rock.
Yeah.
Kaya ako bibili na rin ako ng 5K.
Yay!
Oo. Kasi meron akong Capital 3.0. Ibibili ko na siya ng Alpha sa next week. Inihintay ko lang. Ang plano ko kasi, smart kasi yung nabili ko, di ba? So, paano ko pala gagawin yun sa Dennis? Ilalabas ko yung pera ko sa Smart. Tapos, ibibili ko siya, lalagay ko sa Alpha.
Okay. Nakikita mo yung screen mo ka, Ma'am?
Oo, sige, pakita mo.
First thing you do is do this.
Stop earning, okay.
After 24 hours, mapupunta lahat yan dito sa available balance.
Oh, okay.
Pag napunta na siya sa available balance, kiklik mo lang yung, pag nakabili ka na ng Alpha, makikita mo na dito yung Alpha Flow. Dito nakalagay yan dito or somewhere here. Tatlo yan. Kung tatlo yung license mo, tatlo yung nakalagay na ganyan. Okay? Yeah. Tapos niyan, pagka nandyan na yung Alpha Flow mo, ibig sabihin nun, whitelisted ka na, kiklik mo lang itong deposit. Pag-click mo itong deposit, may choices ka dito, Alpha Flow, Smart Flow, or Micro Flow. Piliin mo lang yung Alpha Flow, click Max, and then click Confirm. That's it. And then,
ibang account.
Ibang account, Ma'am, that means you have to withdraw it to your wallet and deposit it to another wallet.
Deposit sa wallet ng bagong Alpha account ko.
Ganito, Ma'am, mangyayari. Okay? Stop earning, withdraw.
Okay.
Pag na-withdraw mo na yan, pupunta naman yan dito sa wallet mo. Dito mo siya makikita sa USDC. Okay? Pag USDC na
Aha.
siya, click withdraw again. Get your Arbitrum wallet sa labas. MetaMask, it doesn't matter, Binance, whatever. Okay? Pagka nandun na siya, and then open your new RIP account, click get the deposit address, and then dun mo siya i-deposit.
Eh bakit hindi ko na lang pwedeng i-direct from this account to my other account but ilalagay ko pa sa MetaMask?
Okay, pwede rin, ma'am.
Oo,
If you-
kasi alam mo, ang laki ng bawas kasi pag ibabalik ko sa MetaMask tapos ilalagay ko sa ang laki ng nababawas. I think I could direct from this account to this another account. It's
Yes,
the same Arbitrum.
Yes. It's the same Arbitrum, yes.
Yeah, kasi pag nilagay ko siya sa MetaMask, nababawasan.
Okay, fine.
I'll
Yeah,
try that and I'll let you know kung nag-work.
Pwede po yan. You can send small amount muna para hindi, di ba? To test.
Tapos, ang isa ko pang tanong, kasi yung anak ko at saka yung asawa ko, meron silang 3.0 pero kulang ng $70 para maging 1K. Kasi nga, bibilihan ko din sila ng alpha pagdating ng panahon. But
Okay.
not now, unahin ko muna sarili ko, di ba?
Okay.
So, gusto kong magpasa ng 73.0 doon sa kanilang
Yes, ma'am. Madali lang yun.
So, ano gagamitin ko? Username nila?
Yes.
Okay. Para makumpleto yung 1,000 na pambili ko ng kanilang alpha.
Yes.
O, di ba?
Yeah.
O, yun.
Eh,
Yun
bakit?
lang.
Hindi mo pa ibigagawing alpha ngayon kasi
Ako muna, unahin ko munang bumili sarili ko. Meron silang 3.0 na token na Capital 3.0 pero kulang ng $70 para maging 1K.
okay. Hindi, ibig
Yeah,
sabihin,
para maging
ibig sabihin, ma'am, di ba bibili ka ngayon? And
Oh,
then, sesendan mo rin sila.
hindi.
Hindi muna.
Ako muna kasi ang anak ko meron na siyang micro. So, ibunin pa natin ilalagay doon sa alpha, di ba? Bago ko bilhin. Kasi what is the purpose kung bibilihan kung hindi ko pa na malalagyan ng funds?
Makes sense. Okay. Naget ko
Di
na.
ba? Ako rin lang naman na maglalagay ng funds eh. Bakit
Okay,
ko bibilhan
okay.
agad? Sayang yung araw eh.
Okay.
Ma? Oh.
Ibig ko sabihin, ma'am, ang point ko is, instead na yung microflow yung nagwo-work, why not make your alpha flow work?
Yun nga, pero meron na, nabilihan ko na nga si David na. Nabilihan ko na yung anak ko. So meron na siyang funds sa micro niya.
Ma'am, yun din yung sinasabi ko. I mean, why not move his account from micro to alpha?
Eh sayang naman yung micro niya.
I don't say
Diba?
sayang. I
No,
mean,
kasi kung tatanggalin ko yung funds doon, it's not really worth it kasi nga $100 lang. So, wait lang dahil nga gusto ko muna ang milestone ko makapag 5K ako.
I will
Pag nakapag 5K na ako, saka ko sila lalagyan ng funds.
I will agree on
so
your strategy. Okay.
Yes. Isa-isa lang kasi may nang
One by one.
kalaban.
Yes. Okay po. Yes, very good.
Oo.
Okay.
Dennis.
Po.
So Dennis, advice.
Opo.
Kasi meron akong micro at saka alpha, di ba?
Mhm.
Sa mga sinasabi mo, parang gusto ko nang i-transfer yung nasa smart to, no, it's not micro, smart.
I mean, ako ma'am, since nakikita naman natin na consistent na result, I would advise, but not a financial advice, to move
Okay.
everything to alpha flow.
Kaya nga, kasi
Yun
parang
nga. Sorry.
ganun yung sinasabi mo eh.
Yes, everything
Yun
move everything to alpha flow para sabi nga natin, I know na nanghihinayang kayo sa ibinili natin ng smart flow or ng micro flow. But
Yeah.
ang point natin dun is kaya naman natin binili yon just to get start with kasi wala pa tayo noon. Now na meron na tayong chance, why not take advantage of it?
Tapos yung ina-advise kasi ni Chavez is get the 3 para
Hindi, ma'am.
ano.
Yung advice na yun, ma'am, if you have capital na you can diversify. If you want kasi pag diversify mo yun, ibig sabihin nga naman, you are earning on 3 licenses on a different ways. But it makes sense naman na tayo, since account naman natin yun, it makes sense na we want to make it bigger. We want to earn more. Bakit hindi natin ilagay doon sa nag-earn ng more?
Yeah. Tama
Kasi
nga,
ang laki
tama.
ng difference. Ang
Yun
laki
ang
ng
ibig ko.
difference.
Yun
So,
ang
isa,
tanong ko
isa
una,
po.
Sir, di ba? Mas maganda na ilipat doon sa, no, sa, sabi mo, i-switch doon sa Alpha
Alpha.
Flow. Mas malaki ang percentage doon nakikitain kaysa iiwan lang doon sa microflow.
Kasi,
Tama ba?
kasi tama yun, ma'am. Kasi look, ito naman
Oo.
naman natin. Let's say you have $1,000 in microflow. Okay? Kumikita siya lang, sabihin na natin $4 a day. Okay? Imagine niyo na pag nilipat niyo siya sa Alpha Flow,
Dollar, sir.
since libre naman yung Alpha Flow na natin, considering libre na lang kasi nga meron tayong token. Okay? Consider na natin na libre yung license natin, and then you are earning double of that every day.
Kasi micro, oo.
From micro to Alpha. Mhm. So imagine niyo, so yung ibinili niyo ng micro or ibinili niyo ng smart can be covered na ng profit na ibinibigay sa inyo nung Alpha Flow.
Tama nga, tama.
And
Yes.
pwede pang mas malaki because of the compounding.
Mhm.
And besides, number of days is also gone by. Hundreds of days na yung nakalipas doon sa Smart Flow, sa Micro Flow. And then you are beginning with Alpha Flow with 365 days fresh. So,
Yeah.
ibig sabihin, yung cycle ninyo is longer. And then, if it's
Okay.
longer, much bigger yung profit natin.
Oo nga, maganda talaga siya. I-switch na lang doon talaga sa Alpha Flow.
Ako, ang lang dyan, ang mindset lang dyan is to think na we are getting free licenses because of our Capital 3.2 token. Yun yung pinakang natin doon, pinakang advantage natin na walang advantage yung mga wala pang license at wala silang token. They are sitting on the fence watching. Okay? So, yun lang yung natin. So, take advantage of that. Yun yung sa akin. This is my point of view, my personal opinion, not financial advice, but good to consider for me. Honestly.
Yeah.
Very
tanong
well.
pa. Sir, tanong pa po.
Sige po.
Yung friend ko kasi, mayroon siyang Capital 3.0 pero kulang yun, di ba? Hindi man talaga exact naging 500 yung 100. Mayroong
Yes.
kulang para magkabuo ng 500.
Kasi may
Ano
mga may mga tayo, may mga project tayong nasalihan no, kaya nabawasan 'yan.
Edfina. Pumunta kay Edfina.
Aha.
Oo. So pwede ba lang yung dadagdagan ko na lang para mabuo siya ng
Ma'am, pwede
500?
yung dadagdagan pero hindi pera. Kailangan 3.2 token din.
3.0.
Oo.
Yung
Yes. Katulad
okay.
yung sinasabi ni Ma'am Grace kanina, na itatransferan niya yung sa anak niya at saka yung sa asawa niya. So that's the same. Ang gagawin mo lang is kunin mo lang yung 3FO username, login ka sa 3FO mo, tapos meron dong send sa Capital 3.2 token. Kunin mo yung username lang gagamitin mo to send. Tapos nga lang yan, meron lang 5% fee. So completein mo na lang kung magkano yung kulang at tapos plus 5% fee para matanggap niya ng buo and then mabuo yung pupuntahan. Make sense?
Okay po. Pero kulang lang naman parang 4.97 yung sa kanya, parang $3 lang ang kulang.
Okay.
So hindi naman pwede mag-adjust ng, 'di ba, ang pinakababa sigurong i-transfer, 'di ba, 10? Yung pag-intindi ko.
Sa 3.2 token, I think pwede ka magpasa ng mas mababa kasi kon lang naman yan internal transfer.
Okay po.
Oo. So yun.
So kailan ka mag-ROI?
Po?
Kailan ka mag-withdraw?
Good question. That's my answer.
Kaya kasi para malaman namin the strategy which is best for us. Kasi nga, a lot of people are watching us. So I wanna know when we can withdraw. Pero kasi ang goal nga is 6 months, di ba? Para makuha mo yung 30K. But anyway, what is your plan? Tell us.
Kasi ma'am, if we have a goal, we have to achieve the goal. Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-rely sa dahil sa sasabihin ng iba.
Okay.
Because that's the point of us, kaya nga tayo nag-set ng goals. We have to achieve it. If we don't achieve the goals, di para mo na rin sinabi sa kanila na hindi worth it yung pagpunkan mo dito kasi hindi nga natin na-achieve yung goal, di ba?
Baka pwede mo na lang hayaan yan dyan, sir, hanggang mag-isang taon. Wow, ang ganda pag hanggang isang taon na ubusin mo yung isang taon ng ano,
I
ng
mean,
profit.
that depends on your nga sa strategy, ma'am. Kanya-kanya tayo ng
Oo,
strategy.
Ako, ganun ang plano
Something.
ko.
Kasi ako, honestly, ang talagang ang talagang strategy ko, I will be taking some part of it after 6 months. After 6 months. Okay?
So you're saying, after 6 months na naglagay ka o after 6 months nang nag-5K ka?
Hindi, after 6 months na naglagay ako.
So ibig sabihin, 2 months to go, magwi-withdraw ka?
3 months
Hindi
pa, ma'am. 3 months pa lang ako eh. So 3 months pa.
Ay, oo nga pala, sorry. Kailangan ko magkape. 3 months to go pa.
Yeah,
And
3 months
then,
to go.
ano ang minimum na pag-withdraw mo? I mean, yung inilagay mo, ang i-withdraw mo? Yung capital na nilagay mo? Or what?
I am planning to withdraw $5,000 out of it.
Ah, okay. And then, saka mo na lang siya ipapag-grow hanggang matapos yung license mo?
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Kasi sabi ko kay Ate Jackie, pag nag-start ka kasi ng 5K, according sa graph na binigay ni Chavez, wait 6 months, magiging 30K siya.
Mhm.
So, sabi ko, why not na-wait na tayo from 5K, tapos 6 months ka mag-wait, then magiging 30K. Then after that, saka ka mag-withdraw.
Yeah. I mean, that's
Pero,
something.
it takes a while, di ba?
Yeah, ma'am. Sabi, yan ang natin, ma'am. Yan ang tinatawag nating personal strategy natin na we only us can answer. Kasi, I mean, diba, sinabi ko nga sa inyo na ganun yung gagawin ko. But situation
Oo.
change. Life happens. Di ba?
Sa bagay.
So, yun yung mga bagay na we cannot control and we have to do something. So, yun yung mga kana. Pero personally, yun yung goal ko at the moment.
At
Hindi ko
saan mo ilalagay?
mag-holiday ako, ma'am. Pupunta ako ng Canada.
Hindi. Ibig ko sabihin, saan mo ilalabas? Sa Liquid Pay ba? Or sa other platform?
Pagsalig
Di ba? May pupuntahan akong dalawang networker sa Canada, nakilala ko.
Ay, ganda yan ah.
Maganda yan.
Oo,
Yeah.
ibibisit ko sila, di ba? Yun yung
So, saan mo ilalagay, Sir Dennis? Sa Liquid Pay or sa ibang platform?
No, I'm not going to put it in any platforms. Probably Liquid Pay for expenses, depende. Or I can convert it to cash and to do something. So,
Saan mo gagamitin mo?
wala pa akong decision about kung saan ko gagamitin, but one of the plan is holiday.
Mag-travel nga daw siya papuntang Canada.
Oh.
Sabi.
Or pwede ring Dubai, magkita-kita tayo sa Dubai.
Pwede.
Oh, wow.
Di ba? Di ba, Ma'am Grace, magkikita-kita tayo sa Dubai?
Dapat, makita tayo sa Dubai. Para
diba?
sa Dubai. Maybe, di ba? Next year, let's go. Meet tayo sa Dubai. Kasi mag-wait lang kami na Ate Jackie, 6 months. May 30K na kami.
Okay.
Oh.
So, yun. So, yun lang po. So, personal strategy tayo kung saan man ang natin. Pero, yun. At least, ako, open ako sa akon ko sa inyo. That is my goal at the moment. Yung nga natin, sabi nga natin, at least, I am grateful na na-achieve ko na yung first milestone. And then the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one. And then, hopefully lahat. Hopefully lahat.
Sobrang blessed talaga. Super blessed.
Kasi Sir Dennis, ang iniisip ko, kung inalagay ko sa Liquid Pay, nag-work ba siya?
Yes, it's working fine.
Yung card? Di ba nag-order ka ng card?
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Yung mga nag-member na may Liquid Pay na pwede pa rin gamitin.
Lahat, ma'am, ng may Liquid Pay ngayon, Liquid Pay is 100% working. Lahat ng nakapag KYC noon, lahat ng meron silang card, Liquid Pay is 100% working.
So pwede pa lang mag-withdraw from the card sa machine?
Yes. To ATM machines, yes.
Oh, so why not sa Liquid Pay? O, di ba?
Gusto niyo pakita ko sa inyo mamaya habang nag-video ako, nandun ako sa ATM machine?
Sige, please. Hindi, pag mag-withdraw ka na ng 5K mo para at
yun
least.
lang. Yun lang.
Diba?
Sir, Sir, tanong po,
Oo,
meron ka na-deliver na ba sa'yo? Na-receive mo na ba yung card mo sa Liquid Pay?
yes po.
Magkano bang bayad doon sa pag-request natin sa card?
$60 yung binayaran ko doon sa
60?
card. Oh, $60 nung kasi 'di ba una nag-request, mali.
Opo.
Tapos pangalawa nag-request, yun, binayaran ng $60. So here is my card.
Okay.
Kita nyo?
Okay.
Sa akin, coach, wala pang refund at saka wala pang kwan eh.
Ayan na. Mami, ang refund, hindi ko alam kung ano nang nangyari. Pero yung bagong card, lahat alam ko na-delivered lahat na nag-request ng bagong card.
Wala
So,
pa
Dennis, hindi ko
naman.
makita.
Wala pa naman sa
Teka
akin.
lang. Yun. May pangalan yan. Nakasulat. May pangalan.
Oh, ang ganda. Sa harap.
Sir,
Hindi ka bibili ng black card?
Hindi pa kasi wala pa tayo ngayong onboarding and anything sa Liquid Pay eh.
Ayaw nga, oo.
Lahat naka-hold tayo sa any movements of onboarding and offboarding sa Liquid Pay. So for the meantime, ito lang muna yung meron ako kasi hindi nga ako
Pero Sir Dennis, pwede ba kami mag-order ng card? Pwede
Ngayon
na?
ma'am, wala nga ma'am, wala pa ngayon. Naka-stop
Hindi pala
lahat
kami
yun.
makaka-order.
Oo, naka-stop
Kasi
lahat ngayon. Oo.
I see. Sayang, hindi tayo naka-order, Ate Jackie.
So ito yung magic na pwedeng mag-withdraw sa ATM using your crypto card, your crypto. Lagay nyo lang yung crypto dito and then USDC.
Pwede naman coach, yung digital lang.
Pwede naman, mami. Pwede naman. Ang alam ko kasi meron ng way to withdraw sa ATM machines na gamit ang virtual card.
Paano?
Okay.
That depends on the country, ma'am. Depende sa country.
Sa Thailand, ganun ang ginagawa nila. Nagwi-withdraw sila gamit ang virtual card.
Singapore, ganun din. Alam ko, Singapore.
Ay, baka wala dito sa Canada.
Dito sa UK, wala pa rin eh. Wala pa rin dito sa UK.
Sorry. I mean sa Vietnam pala. Sa Vietnam.
Dito sa UK, wala pa ring virtual card withdrawal eh.
Mami V pala yan. Nabuhay si Mami V. Kamusta?
Oo.
Heto, mabeauty pa rin.
Yan.
Ay, ang tibay mo, Mami. Ang tibay. Go, go, go.
Oo. Trying to.
Nakakatuwa na nandito ka, Mami. Na-miss ka namin many years.
Oh, thank you very much. I miss you too.
We were wondering, nasaan na kayo si Mami? Kumusta na kaya siya? Okay lang siya. Alam mo na, panahon na yung tumatagal, hindi natin alam, di ba, ang buhay?
Oo. Nandito pa rin ako, pero
That's good.
nagkakuan lang ako sa Pilipinas.
Okay. Ang mahalaga, you stay strong and healthy.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. At ingatan mo ang lahat ng kayamanan mo. Dapat nagpagawa ka na ng will. Hi!
Hindi na kailangan. Wala naman nang ipapamigay, kaya
No, yung mga wallet mo, Mami, dapat yan. Kasi hindi nila mabubuksan yan.
Oo nga, Mami. Kailangan nila mabuksan yan.
Hindi nila mabubuksan, sayang lahat ng mga binili mo. Kahit sabihin mo na ngayon, wala pang value, pero pagdating ng panahon, you never know. Sayang. Kaya dapat inaasikaso mo na yan, Mami.
Si BTCC.
BTCC, si Nodes, everything. Di ba?
Yeah.
Ayun. Si Ma'am Elena, hindi pala kita mahanap sa WhatsApp. Pasensya na. Hindi ko makita ang name mo.
Nasa GC?
Oo nga, pero hindi ko makita Elena eh.
Sige, ulitin ko.
Oo. Ako ang hanapin mo, ako makikita mo, nag-iisa doon, Mary Grace.
Yung number.
Yung number mo ang hindi ko makita. Pangalan mo din. Sa GC ni Sir Joe, hindi kita makita.
Lara?
Sa 3 po, meron.
3 na GC.
Bago si Elena, ngayon ko lang narinig ang pangalan niya.
Sa Dubai yan, Mami. Dati na yan.
Sa Dubai?
Oo.
Sama ka, Mami. Punta kami sa Dubai.
Anytime.
Ma'am Grace, isulat mo nga dito yung yung screenshot ko, yung number mo para i-message kita.
Okay. Sandali lang.
Sandali
Pero
lang.
mahanap mo yata ang pangalan ko dun
What do you want me to
eh.
do? I applied it. Did you put? Yeah. Thank you.
Mag-mute lang ako kasi nag-aanga itong kasama ko.
Sige, mami.
Okay lang po.
Sir
Aha.
Dennis,
Po.
meron akong question.
Ano po?
Kasi di ba sina Joseph at saka magbibenta sila ng kanilang Capital 3.0
Yes.
at narinig ko kaya ni Sir Carl sabi niya
Mhm.
yung 1,000 license gawin niyang ang bayad is 500, parang 50%.
Teka
Yeah.
lang, Ate Jackie, ba't ganyan ang itsura mo? Ako nabiwendohan, tignan ka.
Bakit? Nakikita ba ako?
Hindi, nakakuan ka Ma'am Jacqueline, dito, avatar.
Ay, pabayaan mo na yan.
Ma'am
Naka-avatar
Grace,
ka kaya.
yun ang number ko. Ang yung sa'yo, isulat mo dyan para may screenshot ko. Message kita.
Isulot ko na yung sa akin.
Hindi pa kayo nagkikita ang dalawa.
Na-screenshot ko rin yung sa'yo. Hanapin din kita. Hindi tayo magkatagpo eh.
Aha.
Coach Dennis,
Po.
mag-ano ka ng time mo para i-guide ako.
Sige po, mami.
Oh,
No problem. Yes.
Yung tanong mo, Ma'am Jackie, ano ba tanong mo?
Yeah. Ang tanong ko, kasi, example ako, meron akong, parang, gusto mong tulungan, gaya ng gusto niyang bumili ng 1,000 license. Tapos,
Mhm.
mag-ask ako kina Sir Carl. Pwede ba yun? Meron ako kasi, pero kaunti lang. Kaya, ako naman is pamigay ko yung, ko, sa akin. Pwede kaya yun sa kanila? What do you think?
Naguluhan ako, ma'am. Ulit.
Kasi di ba sila, nagbebenta sila?
Yes.
I-rephrase ko natin, Jackie. Gusto niyang bumili kay Sir Carl kung meron siyang kaibigan na bibili.
Hindi ako, oo. Yeah, i-refer ko yung kaibigan ko. Example.
Okay. I mean, pwede naman yun, ma'am. Kumbaga kung i-refer mo sila, kaya nga lang sila ang bibili ng license for them. Hindi nila ita-transfer yon to 3FO.
Sila ang bibili na, okay. Ganon?
Ibibigay mo yung email address ng tao na i-refer mo kay Sir Carl.
Yeah.
Tapos sa account na ni Sir Carl siya ang bibili na gamit yung email address ng i-refer mo. Get it, Ate Jackie?
Okay. Ganon ang way niyan. Okay.
Yes, ganon ang way niya.
Kasi,
silang dalawa na rin ang mag-iusap sa pagtatransfer ng pagbabayad niya kay Sir Carl. Kumbaga, magiging bridge ka lang.
Yes.
Yeah, parang ganun pala.
Kasi hindi sila makikipag-deal na, ewan ko rin lang pero posible lang na hindi sila makipag-deal. Ang gagawin kasi nila, iti-take advantage din nila kasi yung 3x of pag sa account nila bumili ng license.
Kaya nga, okay. Kasi diba?
So yun yung point
Sir Dennis. Tama ba yung idea ko? Kasi yung sa akin talagang binibenta ko pero binigyan ko sila ng 6 months to pay.
Ma'am, lahat po yan, it's your preference. Sabi nga natin, because mo yan asset mo yan. So it's your preference. Sinabi ko, you can give it away for free, for a discount, o tulad ng ginawa mo, parang 6 months to pay, or you can ask them to pay in full. So, depende na sa...
Kasi ang ibig ko sabihin, para bang hindi sila, yung tawag dito, aside sa words na mamihasa, at least kung nag-business man sila, magawa sila ng effort. Kasi tayo, di ba, nagkapira tayo ng ganito kasi nag-effort man tayo.
Yes,
sa akin, tulong ko na hindi tulong, yung i-share ko na magbibigay din sila ng in return na hindi by force ba na bibigyan ko sila ng 6 months ng gano'n na palugit para hindi din sila maano ba, para makikita pa rin sila na makapag-invest pa rin din sila doon sa
Tama yan, ma'am. Yan ang tinatawag natin. Yan ang tinatawag natin, ma'am, na wag nating bibigyan ng isda. Bigyan natin ng
Ay, wow. Tama po.
bigyan natin ng pamingwit para matutong mangisda.
Ay, tama po. Yun ang ibig ko sabihin.
Yun.
Hindi naman masama yun, di ba, sir? Yung
Ma'am,
ganun ang idea
yun ang
ko.
pinakamaganda sa lahat kasi tinuturuan nga natin silang kung paano yung kwan. Kasi tulad nga natin, pagka spoon feeding tayo ng spoon feeding, masasanay silang nangangalang.
Okay. Sige po. Kasi yan ang siyempre nahiya ako pero siyempre dahil open na tayo ng mga idea dito. Pero ganun ang plan ko talaga. Pero para hindi rin sila ma-pressure, makapaglagay pa rin sila ng pera doon sa ma-invest nila. So within 6 months, posible naman na hindi sila magkapera na ibayad na paunti-unti. Para lang mag-start sila ba? Kasi yung sabi ko nga sa kanila, na pag ilalagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, hindi naman ganun kalaki. At least, ganun, everyday siya kumikita na proven and tested na talaga sa apply namin. Sabi ko ng ganun. So,
tama yun, ma'am. Tama yung kwan mo na yun. Tama yung sinasabi mo na yun, ma'am.
Ako na lang pautangan mo, ma'am.
Ayun daw, si Mami B daw.
Oo, sige, pwede. Kasi nagkaipon nga ako dyan. Kasi dati naglagay nga ako ng 600 doon. Kaya nagka-2.8 ako. So kung if ever na ikikip ko yung 1,000 para sa akin, kasi gusto kong i-switch doon yung micro ko. Kasi yung the rest, yun, mapautang ko. Ganun sabi ko sa kanila, papautang ko.
Tama yun, ma'am. Tama
Pero
yun.
next year din, Ma'am Elena, mag-reserve ka pa uli ng another 1,000 para sa next year mo. Para pagkabili ka uli ng another license.
Kaya yun ang tanong ko kay Sir Dennis, kung hindi ba siya mapaso?
Hindi yan. Nandyan lang yan.
Ma'am, ang kon ko sabi ko nga, hindi siya may expired, yung token. Yung program o yung promo, hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan.
Okay.
Yun.
Yun ang ang isip ko.
Kasi pag sinabi ni Sabes na wala na yung promo, and then that's the end.
O diba, sayang din yun. Sayang din. Kaya mas mainam na ipapautang ko na lang, tapos mag-switch ako doon sa 1,000 na Alpaplo.
Para kumita ka na rin, di ba? Sa bagay.
Oo, kasi malaki ang percentage doon sa Alpaplo kaysa iiwanan ko, magtitipid ako doon sa binili natin dati dahil micro lang yun. Kahit maglalagay ka pa doon ng 5,000, ang ano niya is 3 point something, pero at least meron. Isa wala. Pero meron namang binigay sa atin pang blessings na mas malaki pa doon, 8 to 9%, 0.8 to 9%. So, doon na lang ilipat.
Yes.
But I think, Sir Dennis, it will last a while kasi marami ang tao na bumili ng 3.0. So, kagaya ni Sir Carl, I heard 70K yata yung sabi ni Ate Jackie, parang 70K. So, matagal maubos yun kahit ibenta mo ng ibenta yun.
Ma'am, madaling maubos yun kasi they can give it away for free.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Tama. Madaling maubos yun. Kasi
ganito, ma'am. Ganito, ma'am. I will talk to you. You are a good network marketer. I'll give you $1,000 license for free. Just do the work. Would you?
Sabagay. Oo nga naman.
So hindi problema yan. To grow the networks, magandang tool na gamitin yung Capital 3.0. If we have enough, why not? Sabi nga, kung meron pa kayong mga excess, $100 for every person na alam nyo na ready na yung fund to test the water and then let them see. Yung $100, ipamigay nyo yung $100 na license, up to you. Then, if you want, kung gusto nyo ibenta yung $1,000, it's up to, or $500, it's all up to you. Nasa sa inyo kung sabi nga ni Ma'am Elena, may 6 months, pwedeng free, pwedeng for a discount, 50%, 30%, 70% discount, or pay in full. So, yun lang kanyo. Pero ito, ang pinakamagandang way to start your network growing in Rift. Kasi, meron tayong tool na i-consider na lang natin, okay, na ganito. May capital ka na 600, okay? Tulad ni Ma'am Elena, ibibenta niya ng $1,000. for 6 months. 6 months to pay or kung kailan mabayaran yon. That means tumubo na siya ng $400 kasi $600 ang capital niya. The rest is history. Nag-guess niyo po yung point ko.
Opo. Yun lang ang inaano ko. Kasi ang ibig ko sabihin, gusto ko silang tulungan, pero gusto ko rin silang mag-effort. Kasi yung pera na yun, siyempre hindi naman ako makarating doon kung hindi ko yun binigyan ng effort na maglagay ako dito para in the future meron akong aanihin na ganito. Naging ganito ang way ni Chavez. So, ganun din ang isi-share ko sa kanila. Kasi sa akin, wala naman nagpapautang eh.
Tama yun, ma'am. I mean, that's the right strategy in the first place. Isa pa, hindi nga natin sila tawag dito kasi nga lahat ng bagay na free, hindi binibigyan ng effort. Most of the time.
Tama po, hindi nga nila bibigyan ng effort kung libre naman to, hindi lang.
I'm not saying everyone, pero most of the time.
Yeah, kasi hindi nila pinaghirapan, hindi sila magkikilos doon. Kaya sabi ko, sige, ganito ang gagawin.
Isipin niyo yung binigyan kayo ng free tinapay. Bumili ba ulit kayo doon? Hindi naman eh. Kinain niyo lang yung free tinapay. Diba? That's the point.
Busog na eh. Busog na. Hindi na.
Ito, ma'am. Yun lang yun naman yung point ko doon eh. Ibig sabihin, ganun talaga yun. It's sabi nga, human nature. We are not judging everyone, pero yun yung point. Di ba? Di ba, Coach Pelpol? Naka-duty si Coach Pelpol.
Ay, Coach, okay lang. Ibigay mo na lahat ng ano mo yan. Token mo, Coach.
Oo nga, ipinamimigay ko na nga. 1,000 lang ang isa.
Grabe. Kaya.
Ayun, so, ayun, I think maganda na yung ating naging conversation. And diskarte nyo na lang kung kailangan nyo ng may question kayo, nandito lang naman ako and I believe ko naman. Coach Pelpol, mag-usap tayo in a bit. Sir Johnny.
Okay, Coach.
And Mami B, mamayang gabi tayo after ng lakad ko kasi alam, baka tulog ka na or bukas na lang tayo ng umaga. Okay lang ba sa'yo?
Okay, bukas ng umaga.
Kasi mga alas 8 na ang dating balik ko or 8 ng gabi, baka tulog ka na. So,
alas 9 ang tulog ko.
Bukas na lang tayo magkuhan para mahaba yung ating kwentuhan.
Oo, okay.
So,
thank you.
Opo. Ma'am Grace, Ma'am Jacqueline, anything?
Mami ka dyan.
Sorry naman. Dumaplis lang.
Mami Grace. Mami ka dyan.
Sorry naman. Dumaplis lang. Yun. Anything I can help, anything na kwan. So, ganun na lang ang kwan yung ang mga binanggit ko kung anong posible. Yan. I wish nagkaroon din ako ng maraming token. Kung nung nagta-transfer ng mga token, ang daming nagbenta nun ng cents lang, may mapabalik lang sa kanila yung kawan, bumili sana ako ng marami, then I have so many tokens sana na po pwede kong ipamigay or ikon sa team natin. Kaya lang, so far sa ngayon, wala, konti lang. So, yun. Thank you so much po. And
maraming salamat.
Blessed weekend. So, ikon ko na lang tong recording. I-post ko na lang po yung recording.